In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter expenses in QuickBooks. Entering expenses correctly is an important part of keeping your books accurate, staying organized, and making sure your reports reflect where your money is actually going. The good news is that QuickBooks makes this process fairly simple once you know where everything goes. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and enter an expense with confidence. To get started, go to the top left corner of your QuickBooks screen and select New. In some versions, this may appear as Create, but it serves the same purpose. This menu is where you begin adding different types of transactions to your books. From there, click Expense to open a new expense form. Once the expense window appears, begin with the Payee field. Here, choose the supplier, vendor, or person you paid. This helps you keep a clear record of who received the payment, which can be especially useful later if you need to review spending by vendor or look back at a specific transaction. Next, move to the Payment Account field and select the bank account or credit card that was used to make the purchase. This is an important step because it tells QuickBooks exactly where the money came from. Choosing the correct account will also help with bank reconciliation later on. After that, enter the payment date. Make sure this matches the actual date the expense was paid so your records stay accurate. Then choose the payment method, such as cash, check, or debit or credit card. Recording the payment method adds another layer of detail and can make your transaction history easier to understand. Now go to the Category Details section. This is where you assign the expense to the correct expense account. For example, if the purchase was for paper, pens, or other work materials, you might choose an account like Office Supplies. Selecting the right category is essential because it affects your financial reports and helps you see exactly how your business is spending money. Then enter the amount of the purchase. Double-check this number before saving, especially if you're entering several expenses at once, since even a small typo can throw off your records. If you have a receipt, you can also attach it by clicking Attach File and uploading a scan or photo. This step is optional, but it's a great habit because it keeps your documentation in one place and makes future review much easier. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That's it. Your expense is now recorded in QuickBooks and your books are one step more up to date.